Hi guys, today we'll be stitching the pencil skirts we cut the last time. Kindly watch our video on how to cut a pencil skirt if you haven't already. The back panels and the front panels and each of their facings. All we are going to do is to transfer. We transfer that from front panel to the back panels. So right here we have our zipper coming in, and at the bottom part we have our slit. At the point where the zipper comes in, we will have to mark a line showing our zipper allowance and our slit allowance. This zipper and slit allowance is 1 inch wide, top to bottom. This will give you a guide on how to transfer the darts from the center front to the center back. So just mark whatever measurement you get following the center front piece. Once you are done marking points, connect with clear lines. And then you flip your fabric over, making sure you turn wrong side to wrong side, and then beat the chalk to make an impression on the other side. And then you mark out and also draw out clear lines for your dart legs. Next is transfer darts to the facing, the back panel facing. Once you do that, also mark it out and draw lines to show where the darts starts and ends. Do this for both back panels. The next thing is to transfer that from half of the front panel to the second half. Simply mark it out also, and then unfold your fabric and then place wrong side to wrong side and beat to make an impression. Then you mark out as you did before. After this, you also take your facing, front facing, place it on the front panel, beat it to transfer impression, chalk impression, and also mark out as needed. Now we are set to stitch these pieces together. Let's go. Sew the darts in no particular order, from the facings to the front panel to the back pieces darts. When done with the dart stitching, you pin the front panel piece facing to the front panel at the waist point, making sure the darts are aligned and pinned in order. The same thing goes for the back pieces, that is the back panels. Then stitch with 1/2 inch sewing allowance from the beginning of the front panel to the end of it, and remove your pins. Do the same thing for the back panels. Sew in your darts You'll notice that I don't lock my dart at the apex. What I do is I hand tie them. I tie them like 3 times to secure the stitches on the darts, and just cut away the extra thread. Before you pin together the facing of the back panels, ensure you have first installed your zip. Or if you have stitched this together, you can still leave 1 inch allowance at the zip allowance point. Stitch back panel facing to back panels with 1/2 inch allowance. Ensure you remove all pins after stitching. Give little notches here and there for it to lay properly, and then we iron. So right now I've ironed the fabrics, and it's time to install my zipper. You pin your zipper allowance in place so you know the exact points where the zipper starts and where it ends. I'm using an invisible zip for this skirt. There's a technical way of fixing invisible zips. I will share this with you in details in my subsequent videos. And please forgive me, the zip I use in this project is one zip I have had in the house. Due to the lockdown, I couldn't go out to get any zip as no shops will be opened. So I'm just trying to improvise with what I have. I'm sorry I'm not able to explain to you how I fix this zip right now, because I think it will be too much for you to take in. So please just subscribe to my channel so you get a notification when I post the video on how to fix the zip if you already don't know how to. So what I'm doing now is just to bring the clothings to the right side, and then zip up to be sure my zipper is well fixed. So, and then the next thing is to pin the sides together. Pin them. I placed notches on the sides so it serves as a guide for me when I'm making my side stitches. I would encourage you to also do that when you are stitching any project. So I've started stitching, and I'm just stitching just a little because I'm going to be using the overlock, that's the Sega 4-thread Sega, to do the final stitching. This stitch I'm doing is just to hold my pieces together. It's easier to hold pieces together with straight stitches than placing them directly on a segger or a 4-thread overlocker. Just remove pins. Ensure you remove all pins from fabric once you are done stitching, so you don't poke your clients or yourself when fitting is on. Now I've done the overlocking of the sides, so what I'm doing right now is finishing. Please remember to hem this by using invisible hand stitches or by using hemming glue or hemming gum. Because of the kind of zip I used, the zip I used is too long. It's actually for a blouse. It's meant to be for a blouse or a top, but I tried to use it for a skirt, so I had to cut the lower bottom and then use glue to hold the cut in. I would advise that if you find yourself in this kind of situation, after using your gun glue, ensure you also put another type of glue which is not heat sensitive on top of that. Yippee! Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much.